All right, you guys, excuse us. This is the address label, but y'all see where I ordered from. I needed to replenish and restock some things because they had their 30% off sale last month. So I went ahead and replenished some of my stuff. I think I already threw it away. Nope, right here. So y'all know I love this, and it's basically gone. It's only a little bit left, but these are all my top coats, base coats that I have. So, and I bought these big ones too, but I have to replace them, get some more. So let's see what we have, and then I'll go through and get rid of the ones I need to get rid of. So they had a sale. Of course, these are normally on their site, buy one get one. And they had 30% off sale. So I got these, and this is the Ultimate Finish Gel. Got 4 of those. Got me more primer. Of course, these are normally always buy one get one. I have 2 left, and this one right here that I'm currently using is running very low because I have to like tilt it all the way over just to get anything out. Y'all, it is, child, it's basically done. But I got 2 more in my little thing, and I bought 2 more because I have to keep them on deck. But that's the primer I always use. Okay, next I purchased the Cover Beige and Cover Cherry Blossom. These are the 2 that I have not had yet. Yeah, that's all. I haven't tried these 2 yet, so I'm gonna swap them. I'm gonna swatch them for you real quick. Give me a minute. All right, so Cover Beige is first. I already took the little wrapper off, clear wrapper off of both of them, so it's faster. You guys can see. Let me turn this little light on. Maybe you guys can see better. Okay, can y'all see? Okay. I have been doing feet all day, guys, so this light hasn't really been on. And let me bring y'all into it a little bit more. Yeah, y'all can see better like that. So that's beige, and beige actually looks like that. Have to put the lighting on. Let me do it one more time. I have never had their beige before, but it mimics Mia Secret's beige. This is Cover Cherry Blossom, and I forgot I have it in the zoom in mode. So, but this is how that looks. Okay. Oh, why I set my brush all the way down, but it's okay. Oh, that is pretty, y'all. I like that. Let me do it again, because I'm trying to make sure y'all can see and I can see. I like, get that out my brush. I like them. I'm not a huge fan of this one, but this one I love. Y'all, anything like peaches pinkish, I really like. This one, it's okay. It'll do good with really light tones. See if you can see how my finger is against it. Let me see if I can. There you go. You can kind of see a bit better. My tone. Don't worry, I didn't have not done any manicure or anything on my finger. So I'm liking that one. But y'all, this is my little mini haul. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because we still have, let me show y'all. Hold on. We still have all of these to get rid of for giveaways. There's still some back there. So all of these have just been sitting up here. Even this right here. Just been sitting up here, pile up here, waiting for us to reach 500 subscribers so we can go ahead and do the giveaway. Those right there are not part of it. I think these are my what is it called? My little magnet things, nail chips. Like when you wanna get information sent from your phone, from your fingernail to your phone. So that's what those are, my nail chips. But yeah, all these other boxes here are giveaway items. Those are the acrylic sets and things like that. And these are my what is it? Non-odorless little things I use for my skateboard. As you can see, I didn't even open this. I was gonna give away two because I didn't use it only but for skateboard. And I bought 2 of them. So that's it, you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Bye.